take a look at how caring KG1B are.
Hi everyone, and welcome to this week's PYP Awards. I hope you're all well, and I hope you all have a lovely caring day here at DIAB today. It was amazing to see all of the lovely pink and red coming into school, and I hope you're caring at home and in the community and everywhere. So have a great day. Okay, let's start with our PYP Awards. In PreK A, we have Avir is getting a Risk Taker Award for becoming more independent and confident to engage in new activities offered to him, and he's challenging himself without asking for any help. So well done, Avir. Lily is getting a Caring Award for doing a super job looking after our new member in the class and making sure she's happy by playing with her and comforting her. Lovely spirit, Lily. Naria is getting a Communicator Award in PreK B. Naria has been working very hard at initiating conversations with his friends, and we are very proud of the progress. Keep on trying, Naria. You're doing great. Levi is getting a Knowledgeable Award. Levi has done a great job with our new unit this week. He listens carefully during our discussions and asks open-minded questions, as well as sharing facts about insects, he has encountered in his garden at home. Well done, Levi. Oliver in KG1A is getting a Risk Taker award. Oliver has been brave and happy coming into class and uses his words to explain his feelings when he's unsure. Well done, Oliver. Faisal is getting a Well-Balanced award. Faisal has been trying hard to spend time at different centres and with different friends to make sure he's using lots of different skills. Well done, Faisal. In KG1B, we have Luca is getting a Principaled award. He's always following instructions really well and continues to make great choices on a daily basis. Liam is getting a Caring award. Liam is a caring and friendly member of our class who is happy to play and be friends with everyone he meets. Well done, Liam. In KG1C, we have Abdul Rahman is getting a Caring award. Abdul Rahman is kind, caring boy who is always concerned about his friends' well-being. Wow, there's so many caring awards today. And Kairav is getting a Knowledgeable award for completing activities independently and always trying to find the right answer. He loves a good challenge. Nissan in KG1D is getting a Risk Taker award. Nissan has been a risk taker by playing with her friends and trying very hard to speak English, and she always has a smile on her face. And we have Layla is getting a Caring award. Layla is being very caring with her peers, always helping them and having a very positive influence on the class. Well done. KG1E, we have Alia is getting a Principaled award. Alia makes good choices, she follows instructions and listens. She's always respectful and she shows a great example to her friends. Good job, Alia. And Sammy is getting a Well-Balanced. Sammy is very independent in his choices. He's fair, honest, and he's a great listener. So well done, Sammy. In KG1F, we have Artin is getting a Caring award. Artin has been very caring towards his peers. He's always there to help his friends with tidying up, building and construction, reminding his friends that, and if they've even forgotten their bottles and their jackets. Wow, well done, Artin. And Mohammed is getting a Risk Taker award. Mohammed has been superb with trying new activities in the classroom in collaboration with his friends, and he's always determined to complete his tasks. Amazing. Now we have KG2A. Annika is getting a Caring award for being a caring member who makes a positive difference on our class. Amazing. And Mishti is getting a Caring award for showing kindness and compassion to her peers and having such a positive attitude and influence in our class. Amazing. KG2B, we have Ahmed is getting a Communicator award. He is a fantastic communicator. He's eager to take part in our classroom discussions and he always completes his activities to the best of his ability. Well done, Ahmed. And Sparsh is getting a Knowledgeable award for being knowledgeable using his phonics when writing sentences. Miss Noreen is very proud of you. Well done. In KG2C, we have Keshin is getting a Caring award. Keshin is an excellent role model. He always says please and thank you and is a very caring friend. And we have Sammy is getting a Principaled award. He is very eager to learn this week. He's trying his best and making excellent choices. So well done, Sammy. Keep up the awesome work. In KG2D, we have Marco is getting a Knowledgeable award for great improvements in his reading. His confidence has grown and he's reading like a superstar. Nora is getting a Knowledgeable award for the great improvement in her reading over the past few weeks and using her phonics to help decode very tricky words. Well done, Nora. And we have KG2E. Nushba is getting a Communicator award for using a Venn diagram to sort story elements and presenting it to the class. I hope I said that name right. And Abdullah is getting a Balanced award for working independently to create his fictionary and for sharing his ideas with his peers. KG2F. We have Arash is getting a Principaled award for being principled and always showing a great example to his classmates. Keep it up. And Yasmin is getting a caring award for being a kind and caring member of our class. Yasmin takes pride in her work, especially when she is practicing her reading at home. Keep it up. So as we know, caring was a focus this week, and this is one of our PYP learner attributes. So there's so many things that we can do to be caring, as Miss Carol's lovely video showed us as well. So this one says, I am caring if I care for others, help others, want to help make people happy. That's very important. We want everybody to be happy here at DIA Al Basha. And if I'm sensitive to other people's needs. So there's so many things that we can do to be caring. So I hope you all have a great week, and we will see you on Sunday for Valentine's. I hope you all have a lovely, lovely weekend, and see you all on Sunday.